Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have Tubebuddy installed and a basic channel audit ready. Now act. Open the channel audit, review CTR and watch time to identify low-performing videos, and pick 5 topics you want to boost. Once done, use Tubebuddy's Keyword Explorer to pull related search volume and competition for each topic and bookmark the strongest keywords. Make sure to export tags and current titles so you can compare improvements. This gives you measurable baselines to test against. Now dive into metadata edits with intention. Use Keyword Explorer for long-tail variations, then insert your primary keyword near the start of the title while keeping it natural. This helps ranking and click appeal. Once done, expand the description to at least 200 words, place keywords naturally, add chapter timestamps, and include relevant links. Make sure to update tags with both exact match and phrase match variants. Finally, use a /B thumbnail tests in Tubebuddy. You're at the finish line. Apply your optimized metadata, enable a thumbnail /B test, and schedule checks for 7 to 14 days. Monitor impressions, CTR, and average view duration to determine whether the changes moved the needle, and compare against your original audit. If you don't see improvement, troubleshoot quickly. Rerun Keyword Explorer, tweak thumbnails for clearer faces or contrast, and analyze retention graphs to cut or re-edit weak sections. These targeted fixes usually unlock better performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.